Hey there, I'm here with Natalie, a happy homeowner.
I am happy.
Just to showcase and highlight her new walkway and pool deck that we did for her. These are 36 by 36 porcelain tiles that we set in the front with a sand set joint. Really kind of gives the house like a look of distinction, something different. This is not something you see every day, and we're pretty proud of it, so let's show it to you. So we took out the concrete, put in the porcelain to the front entry, and then we did these nice steppers to the backyard. We're big on the different layers, different elements, introducing different things here and there so it doesn't look like a big freeway. A nice green belt to the backyard. And then we show up out here to this pool that was recently redone. We came in and demoed all the old concrete, the ugly concrete.
Huge improvement.
There were a lot of palm tree issues, roots everywhere that were disrupting everything. Then we put in a custom drain system where the blue pebble is, or the Mexican beach pebble is, around the house. So all the water right here, all sheet flows over here, gets captured into the drain, and then finds its way out to the front of the house. So we also took out the old dingy pool coping, put in new pool coping, and then we cut in around all the joints. That's how you really can tell a good contractor from a mediocre contractor, is the detail in the joints, where the cuts, how they meet up. Everything is linear. The cuts aren't jagged and uneven. And then come over here, let's show you the Zen Den.
My Zen Den, my favorite spot.
Again, everything sheet flows out towards the wall, gets captured in a drain system that finds its way out to the street. So again, continuing with like the different layered or entanglement theme using different materials. Here we transitioned back to the larger 36 by 36 from a 24 by 24. Another cool unique feature here is this joint right here is actually the drain. So all the water sheet flows from this direction and this direction, gets captured into the drain system and finds its way out to the street. So, you know, if you want a look of distinction, you want something different, these large format pavers is definitely the way to go. Makes the Zen Den warm and exciting and inviting.
It is my spot, my happy place. And
happy
of course,
homeowner.
Yeah, I'm thrilled. Couldn't be happier with Signature Pavers. Jerry and his team did an amazing job. Really grateful.
I'm blushing.